Here at Target because I heard that their new Pride collection was out. So let's take a look. This is a special swimsuit. It is invented for tucking.
I can't believe it. This video is brought to you by birchgold.com, birchgold.com. Ladies and gentlemen, let me tell you this. Former president recently issued a warning for Mar-a-Lago, and he quoted, our currency is crashing and will soon no longer be the world standard, which will be one of the greatest defeats, frankly, in 200 years. Some experts believe that there's a serious threat to the future value of the U.S. dollar because of inflation, the deficit spending, and also the increase in the national debt. One asset that has withstood famine, war, economic upheaval, dating all the way back to Jesus lived in the Bible, is gold. And you can own it in a tax shelter retirement account with the help of Birch Gold. Birch Gold will help you convert an existing IRA or 401k, maybe from a previous employer, into an IRA in gold. And the best part is that you do not have to pay a penny out of your pocket. Text Brandon to 989898 and claim your free information kit on gold. Think about this. In March of this year, when the banks faltered, the stock market faltered, and gold surged. Birch Gold can help you find how to protect your savings with gold. Birch Gold is an A+ rated business with the Better Business Bureau and thousands of satisfied customers. Text Brandon to 989898 and get your information kit today. They're the experts, not me. Text Brandon to 989898. Like and subscribe to the channel. Hit the bell to get notifications anytime I go live, make a video. Make sure you still subscribe to this channel. Like this video. Comment to the. Let's get into this. Come on, man. I've been telling y'all a long time, and that's why I make this shirt, not my kid. And I would love for parents that understand what this means. Y'all ain't grooming my kid for you to get this shirt. The link is in the description section as well. But let's talk about this for a minute. There's two clips that I saw. One from Patriot Barbie and one from this young lady. You know this young lady's name? Morgan. Her name is Morgan. We'll put their links in the description section so y'all can follow them on social media. Look at what she did. She went to a department store. I believe this is Target. She went to the department store and look at what they're doing. I saw another video. I think I sent this to somebody. There was a video of sex toys in CVS. And they put them right next to the kids' toy section. I mean, it's right next to it. Like, you reach for this toy and you slip, you're going to grab something. I can't say it on the air, but you're going to end up grabbing something your kids shouldn't be grabbing. And then we go to Target and we see something like this. And I'll play Patriot Barbie's clip after this. But look at this. I want y'all to look at this.
Here at Target because I heard that their new Pride collection was out. So let's take a look. This is a special swimsuit. It is invented for tucking. Live laugh, lesbian. Are they amoebas? These don't even look like people. Queer. This right here. These are baby clothes. They say that grooming isn't happening, then why are there Pride baby onesies? Trans people will always exist. This is the ugliest shirt I've ever seen. I don't care if you're queer. Why would you wear this? This is ugly. Kids going to a Pride parade. You got a little Pride skirt for your kid. Super queer. It's like a superpower. Honestly, Target, what is going on? This is pretty disgusting. A whole collection for Pride. The tucking bathing suit, though. This is something new. I have yet to see a bathing suit that is for
tucking bathing suit. Little kids are tucking their genitalia. First of all, as if kids' genitalia is really popping out of there anyway. They're little kids. I have never had my son go to the pool and I'm worried that somebody's looking at, his midsection. He's a little kid, man. Ain't much gonna be popping out on no little kid like that. But you're gearing them towards tucking and using the trend of formality of transition and getting them routinely convinced about this thing. That's what they're actually doing. Well, there's another clip that I have of Patriot Barbie. Well, let me see. Do I have that clip? Now look at this video.
Here we go.
Hold on, look at that. Lesbian, queer, trans, gay, I don't know what that is, and bi. Where's straight at? Oh, so if you straight, there's no pride in being straight. They don't have it on? Okay, just wondering.
My queer year. Here's cards for the gay people in your life.
Welcome to Target. The front door is right there. So we are like 10 steps in before there is an entire pride display for your children to see. Okay, these are like naked people on shirts. I was curious where the straight section is. So like shirts that say like straight pride and like hetero is hack. Super cis, you guys have like, there's gay clothes, but you have like specific straight clothes for straight people? Yeah.
What do you need?
Oh, I was just curious where the straight section was. I wanted to buy some gifts for my kids.
Can you not record me, please?
I'm recording her.
Record me.
I'm recording her.
Oh, she's recording me.
Okay, that's fine. I'm done.
Okay, where's the straight section for straight
And this
kids?
indoctrination of kids, and you're.
Can you not record me? These people are so weird. Like, if I was working there and somebody was recording me, it wouldn't be that big of a deal. I'm not doing anything wrong. Matter of fact, it would be my chance to shine on camera to show how well I work at Target and how well our customer service is. But as you can see, the guy want to run off. They continue to talk to him. They continue to ask where the straight section is. And to me, that's telling. Like, where's the straight pride? Like, if it wasn't degenerate, if it was just so natural and normal, then why do you need to make a separate section? That's like saying, where's the black clothes and the white clothes? You know the reason why they don't have black clothes and white clothes? It's because it doesn't matter. Clothes are clothes. And if gay and straight and all this stuff was all the same like they claim it is, then we would have no problems with having the stuff sprinkled into everything else. But no, they know it ain't right. So they get a little section for your kids to be pandered to. Put it right at the front. So if your kid ain't never thought about being gay, they would love to be a part of this little area right here. This is fun area. Because the other stuff is boring. Right here is fun. They got Skittles and candy and all this other stuff. Dad, Mom, what is gay? Man, my dad ain't never talked to me about no gay stuff. Ever. I know the birds and the bees didn't involve being gay and stuff. And trans. I don't know what they feeding these kids today, man, but they literally, we got to make videos, 1,000 of these about this stuff because people don't think it's real. People don't think they're grooming. People don't think it's a concerted effort to indoctrinate your children because they can't just do it with adults. They're going towards kids now. Y'all done heard me say this in 1,000 videos. I'll see you on the next one. I'm out.